Never pay $70 for the AUKEY DR02 Dash Cam. The AUKEY DR02 is one of the most popular budget dash cams. You can check our video review of it in the description. We are not here to tell you what to buy, we are here to tell you when to buy, and at what price point makes this a great deal. This is one of the most commonly posted dash cams on Slickdeals, and in the past year alone, we've seen 8 front page deals for it. And the average price across all of the deals has been $48. That is $22 less than the retail price of $70. And the lowest price we've ever seen for this, $38.50. But if you want a price that good, you're definitely gonna have to set a deal alert. But what price point qualifies a great deal on this AUKEY dash cam? Anywhere under $50. And if you can find it for less than $40, just pull the trigger. So how can you find deals this good for the AUKEY dash cam? By setting up a deal alert. We actually made one for you in the link description. Just click it and we'll notify you the next time it goes on sale. Don't forget to leave a comment down below with the product you'd like to see next on this series. Also hit that like button and subscribe for more deal content like this.